All right. Believe it or not, we're using Teams to do this. Teams and a camera. What's next? So this is class problem 1, and what we're going to do is prepare a sales and production budget for the quarter. And what you want to do is locate the pause button on your computer or on the on the screen so that you can mine's in a different place than yours, but so that you can pause the video and go ahead and maybe catch up with what I'm doing online or go back and forth, okay? But make sure you can move around. So it's sales and production. So this guy's learning the ropes, and he's looking over the production budget for the past 2 years. He notices that the production department requires information from the sales division. In turn, the production budget is sent on to other departments, and he now sees how the budget pieces fit together and how the production area contributes to the bigger picture. After seeing these connections, he gathers the following information. So we've got budgeted sales volume, okay, 3,200, 2,700, and 3,500 for January through March. And they also gave us April, but they only gave us April because we're going to need this number. Okay, so I drew a line here just to, get myself in the quarterly mode. The budgeted selling price is $25 per unit. The desired monthly ending inventory is 15% of the next month's sales. And beginning finished goods inventory on January 1st is 420 units. So they gave us the starting inventory, okay, of 420. So the first thing we've got to do is prepare the sales forecast for the upcoming quarter. And we have, here's our budgeted, I've got January through March. And here are our budgeted units by month. And our selling price is $25 per unit. That's from up here. Okay, so times 25, and these are my projected sales for the 3 months. And so these would be in dollars too. Okay, 80,000, 67,000, and 87.5. All right, so we got that done. And now prepare a production budget for the first quarter of the upcoming year. Okay, so let's look at our formula on the side first. We're going to have budgeted sales in units, okay? When you're talking production, you're talking about just units to produce, not dollars. Okay, we don't get into dollars until we get into like material inventory. So we've got budgeted sales in units plus target ending inventory gives us our units needed minus the beginning inventory is units to produce. Okay, so we've got 3,200 units, 2,700 for February, 3,500 for March. And our target ending inventory is, what is it again, 15% of the next, 15% of the next month's sales. So 2,700 times 15% is 405. 3,500 times 15% is 525. And then for, let's see, what did we have for April? April sales are, I thought we needed that. April sales are 3,800. I'm going to put April here, okay? April is 3,800 times $25. Oh. I get 95,000. Well, maybe that's right. Because it is more, 95,000 times 0.15. 95,000 units. No, those are dollars. Those are dollars. So 3,800 units times 0.15 gives us 570. I'm going to put a little note here, okay? That's 3,800 times 570 times 15%, sorry. Okay, that's where the 570 comes from. And leave the quarter off. We'll talk about this in a second. So this gives me my total units needed, 3,605, 3,225, and 4,070. So these are added. And then minus beginning inventory. And they gave us beginning inventory. Beginning finished goods inventory was 420 units. So we can use that for January. And then ending inventory in January is beginning inventory for February. Ending inventory for February is beginning inventory for March. Okay, and we get our total units to produce right here, 9550. So before we leave this, let's take a look at the quarter, because you're going to have a budgeting project also, and this issue comes up. So for the quarter, here are total sales, total unit sales. Okay? Right there, that's a total. But the target ending inventory for the quarter would be the ending inventory in March. What do you think about that? You see that? The ending inventory for the quarter is the ending inventory in March. So right here, this is what I'm concerned with, right there. This is in the budgeting project too, so you might want to notice it's, I can't remember if it's on the exam or not. Okay, so that gives me my total units needed, and then less beginning inventory for the quarter. Beginning inventory for the quarter is 420. That's the other little catch here. So for the quarter, my beginning inventory was January 1st, and that was 420 units. Alrighty? So think about this total column is the total for the quarter, okay? And these wouldn't be added up. It would just be whatever that beginning inventory was for the whole quarter. And that gives us our final units to produce. Alright? Okay.